Hey, what's up?
What's going on?
Wolf and Big Bear, and we're on our way to...
See our creation of a burger at Green with Envy.
Yeah, so we're all excited. The Wolf and Big Bear burger will be in the making. Alright, we're here. Green with Envy, here we come. Walking in to the man that believes in us.
Green with Envy. Pennsylvania Blairsville, baby.
Chef Jesse.
Oh yeah.
This is the Wolf and Big Bear
Yeah.
sandwich. Look at that, man. Did you ever want like chicken and a burger? I mean,
Be a man.
check out caramelized honey onions.
That makes my toast.
Yeah. It's kind of like that magic sauce. I can't tell you.
Extra crispy bacon.
That's like where your meatloaf comes in. I'll do anything for love.
Yeah, when your sweet tooth hits the floor.
Tomato.
Look at that.
It's drizzly goodness.
It's like every minute's free.
And soon to come, a brand on the bun.
Yeah. Dun, dun, dun,
Wow,
dun,
look.
dun, 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 dun.
Look at that whoppingness of goodness.
Guacamole.
It's so big it won't even stand up.
Yeah, man. Your taste buds be rattling.
There you go. Give her a taste test.
Let's give it a try. It's all good. I'm going in for a big bite.
This is crazy. Oh my god, it smells so good.
That's very good.
Be a man. Come to Green with Envy. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Come to Green with Envy
That's actually really good.
and try out the Wolf and Big Bear burger.
Mm-hmm.
Where you can have
Good.
an incredible actual beef patty with honey.
Come to Blairsville, PA. Green with Envy.
Yeah. Don't be shy. Get off that couch. Because you need to try some burgers. The best in town, baby.
Heck yeah. Give it a try. More to come. Be a man.
Yeah. Be a man.
And hey, don't forget to subscribe to Wolf and Big Bear and check out Green with Envy. Because you know why? If you're going to McDonald's or anywhere else, you ain't a man.
Yeah. Burger King.
Get on here and get a big patty.
That's for losers.
Yeah.
Yeah. So come on in. Come to the hometown place where you can grab a great burger and be satisfied.
Best burgers in town.
Yeah.
That's
Green
right,
with
baby.
Envy.
Woo!
Come try the Dragon Challenge, baby.
Try the Dragon Challenge.
Yeah.